Bring your favorite lunch and confidently conquer all challenges with perfect sandwiches. Vesta, the secret to a convenient and nutritious life. Soft bread mixed with the greasy taste of meat, added with a bit of rich spices, all blend together to create a wonderful flavor. The ivory white lines of fat are interwoven, dotted with patches of red meat. We can feel its softness and freshness. Close your eyes and imagine when you put this piece of meat on the hot cast iron pan. A pleasant sizzling sound is heard and the mouth-watering aroma spreads throughout the kitchen. Take a bite and feel the sweetness of the meat mixed with the greasy taste of the fat. Breading meat and fish can be a challenge for you in preparing a perfect meal. Creating a smooth, uniform mixture requires precision and skill, especially when working with fish meat that has a sensitive texture. This meat and fish dough mixer is an important tool in the food processing process, especially in the production of meat and fish products such as fish balls, fish cakes, or fish noodles. Meat dough mixer fish is used to combine and knead these ingredients into a smooth and uniform mixture. The golden pieces of chicken running on the production line are a magical feeling and make a strong impression. With their sparkling golden color, they look like a work of art being created in a factory. Each piece of chicken is meticulously cared for and prepared, from the selection of ingredients to the cooking process. Their brilliant and attractive appearance makes us unable to help but feel craving and eager to enjoy them immediately. This appliance is not only a great companion in preparing meals, but also a savior for those looking to save time and effort in the kitchen. The ability to cut large pieces of meat into thin and uniform slices not only saves you time, but also ensures uniformity in cooking. With the blade's precision and uniformity, you can count on getting beautiful slices of meat that are ready for any dish. Looking at the fresh fish slices running on the conveyor belt, you can't help but be fascinated by their freshness and appeal. Each slice of fish reflects the sophistication of handling and care from origin to production, ensuring that it meets high standards of quality and safety. The freshness and beauty of fish slices not only shows the richness and diversity of raw materials, but also increases the excitement and anticipation of enjoying dishes from there. With each slice of fish, you can see the variety of ingredients that are used.
Potterbot Super 9 is an excellent 3D printer for anyone who wants ceramic prototypes. An invaluable assistant for clearing thick layers of snow. And here we have a machine specifically designed to blow away thin delicate layers of snow. These powerful pliers can easily eliminate solid construction in a short time. Is that the arm that Starcat and Iron Man? Profiling machine allows to create custom-sized sponges.
Precisely, from making the soft and smooth crust to covering it with fresh tomato sauce and rich fresh milk cheese. Frozen pizza is a great choice for you when you want to enjoy a delicious meal without being busy preparing it. You just need to put the pizza in the oven and in a few minutes you will have a delicious hot pizza from your favorite restaurant. Look at the cakes produced on that line. You will not only feel craving for the taste, but also feel the affection and enthusiasm of the people who make them. This makes each time enjoying a cake more special. Not only a joy in its delicious taste, but also an appreciation for the effort and enthusiasm they put into the baking profession. Jelly candy production line is the convergence of professionalism, creativity, and passion. Each jelly candy created here is not only a dessert but also a work of art, marking the dedication and enthusiasm of the candy makers. With high precision and performance, the cake packaging machine helps ensure that each cake is packaged firmly and beautifully, gradually becoming a work of art.